This one's awesome. If you're buying it as a gift, look, it already has a bow on it. If you're not buying it as a gift, you can still gift it to yourself. I love a multi-tool. This is a, what do they call this? A 74-in-1 ratcheting T-handle. Let's open it up and show you what's going on. Look at this box. This is like really nice. Open it up upside down so you can see better than I do. Need to close up on these. So this is a really, really, really cool tool set. Tons of different bits, regular size. These are like 1/4 inch. And then you got these smaller, I think these are called like 4mm. These are like super small bits for doing like electronics work and stuff. Every style of bit I can think of. Some tamper resistant bits, some forked bits, some hex bits. I mean, some of the just smallest little things I've ever seen. You probably won't even be able to focus. I don't think the camera can focus on something this small. I assure you, these are teeny tiny little flathead bits. But what's really cool about this is how this T-handle works. So this T-handle, you can reconfigure it any way you want. It's a ratcheting T-handle, but we can take off the ends of it and reconfigure it. So now you're still ratcheting and you have some leverage here, but you're a little bit longer for getting an enclosed space. You can put another end on it here, and then we still have super good reach, but we're still ratcheting. You can use it with your hand like that. We could put 2 of these on one end, 1 in the middle, and have really high leverage here for screwing things in. This is very good quality too. It's not made of plastic. This is actually made of metal. You reverse your ratcheting right there. They also have this little thing, which is kind of interesting. So this is a swivel cap. So if we're in a really tight space and you need to apply pressure to something, this cap will swivel. So imagine I'm pushing really hard on something and twisting with my fingers, but I can hold on to the back and it swivels. So I never have to relieve pressure on what I'm screwing this into. I can always apply pressure on the back side of this, and I don't have to change my grip over and over with that swivel. Pretty neat. There are some smaller bits in here, and they work with this adapter. So this adapter right here accepts these little teeny tiny micro bits. So just what a great set for having in your desk or whatever, you know, when you need to just fix something little or fix something big. You've got the bigger set here too. So a lot of electronic stuff you can do with this. A lot of, you know, eyeglasses, jewelry stuff. That's what this kind of kit's good for. It does have an extra little magnet sitting in here for magnetizing stuff if they lose their magnetic properties, because all these bits do magnetize just like that. So just a great kit overall. I'm really, really happy with this, and it's so neat how it can transform really easily into different kinds of screwdrivers. Look at that. Maybe you don't need to ratchet. We just need a long screwdriver. You can do that. Still has a really good grip on the back side here for screwing down on some things. So just a great kit. Again, you can buy it for yourself, I guess, or talk somebody into buying it for you as a present. Not too expensive either. Pretty good deal on these. So yeah, very, very nice toolkit for the money. 74-in-1. Holy smokes.